Volunteering alongside your family can be an unforgettable experience. Here we get an insight into some family volunteering activities taking place all over Europe. Continue watching.
So hi, I'm Eleanor O'Brien and I volunteer with Community Games. This is my dad Michal, he also volunteers with Community Games, and my brother Damien, who also volunteers with Community Games. And this is my brother's fiance Eleanor, who's also Eleanor, who also volunteers with Community Games. Now that we're all getting old, so we've been volunteering for a long time and we were dragged along by our dad to a lot of different events. Now we actually come here willingly, surprisingly. And I suppose we kind of live in different parts of the country, so being able to come here today and to all Community Games events and volunteer together, it's a way of meeting up. We don't see each other much, and especially the thing about volunteering with your family is if something annoys you or something goes AWOL, you can always rant about it in the car on the way home.
Yeah,
and that comes from the positives as well. If you have some good stories to come, it's always good to share a good story as well, and how the day was a success as well as the bad things.
My name is Anna.
My name is Beth.
My name is Catherine.
My name is Patrick.
Okay, and who are you volunteering with?
Making connections.
So how did you get involved with making connections? What inspired you in the first place to get involved?
Well, it was really through the school. We did a letter writing event at Christmas where we wrote letters for 50 people that were involved with making connections.
Well, it was just nice to, as a family, to find time together as a family to do something, and it was totally enjoyable, in working together and doing something good for the community.
I feel like it was great to see, even if you did the smallest thing, such as talking to them, it could put such a big smile on their face.
Okay, so what we do is we like to send our beach cleaning packs to places around the world, to groups around the world. So we have a lovely group of boys in Egypt who are cleaning up their shocking amount, unbelievable amount compared to anything that we would see here. We also are very connected to 2 conservation groups in Indonesia.
În ce fel v-ați cunoscut mai bine?
La mama am observat o latură pe care nu i-o văzusem sau nu mai țineam minte, și anume aceea de a învăța, de a fi un soi de profesor în ale croitoriei.
Iar la fiica dumneavoastră?
Iar la fiica, poate m-a surprins disponibilitatea ei de a învăța să confecționeze obiecte.
Ce altceva v-ar plăcea să faceți sau ce cauză ați dori să susțineți prin voluntariat de familie?
Mi-ar plăcea să atrag membrii ai familiei în alte activități, în alte cauze pe care noi le derulăm în cadrul organizației. Am putea să susținem, de exemplu, cauza bolnavilor de cancer, participând cu membrii familiei la unele întâlniri, sau alt tip de activități de creație, ateliere de creație, activități sportive, de ce nu?
Ați învățat ceva nou?
Da, am învățat să fiu mai sociabilă și mai apropiată de copiii care au venit și care au fost interesați de acest proiect.
Cred că mi-ar plăcea să fac voluntariat de familie cu animalele. Toți din familia mea iubim animalele și chiar mă văd pe mine, mami și bunica mea ajutându-le.
Ja sam Ema Ilić, imam 17 godina, živim ovdje u Osijeku i idem u drugu gimnaziju u Osijeku. Dakle, ovdje u udruzi zaista ima puno posla koji se trebaju izvršiti. Prvo je održavanje prostora, dakle čistim štale i brinem se o konjima, to jest čistim konje, jašem ih, imam treninge s njima, također pomažem u rekreacijskom i terapijskom jahanju. Tata mi je, ajmo reći, bio najveća podrška u ovom volontiranju, tako da on je uvijek bio tu kada je nešto trebalo ili popraviti ili što god, tako da od njega je uvijek ovo zainteresiralo i sam je čak dolazio da ga nisam morala ni zvat. A brat je evo isto malo kasnije, također mu je ovo sve bilo zanimljivo, to što sam ja tu i što volontiram, pa se odlučio i on malo okušati. Pa evo mogu reći da u obitelji zapravo svi imamo tu nekakvu potrebu pomagati drugima i zapravo stavljati onako tuđe potrebe na više mjesto. I ajmo reći da zbog toga sam ja počela volontirati jer baš drago mi je kada tako nekome mogu pomoći i ne volim tražiti tamo reći nešto za uzvrat. I zbog toga su mi i tata i brat ovdje došli i također mislim da je to super utjecalo i na naš odnos jer kad smo ovdje puno smo i više i opušteni i pričamo i onako imamo ovu temu za razgovarati o tome kad dođemo kući. S obzirom na to da pohađam jezičnu gimnaziju, zaista mogu reći da je teško, ali smatram da ako nešto stvarno želimo, da to možemo ostvariti i pronaći makar malo vremena za to.
Who are you guys?
I'm the grandmother.
And the grandchild?
And the youngest grandchild.
And what are you guys doing?
We are volunteering at Elderly Care Center.
Doing what?
Making dinner and
Waffles today and sandwiches.
to entertain elderly people that have maybe not have a family nearby that they can visit or can be visited by. And then we are here to help them socialize, get food and get better life quality.
Nicht länger, ja? Wenn du so hergehst, ja? Dann kannst du es da nehmen und dann sägst du es da ab.
Was hat euch am Familienengagement heute besonders gut gefallen?
Ja, einfach als Familie überhaupt was gemeinsam machen. Findet ja oft im Alltag ist es manchmal schwer, dass man sich so die Zeit nimmt für solche Aktionen und auch mit anderen Familien gemeinsam und einfach mal ganz andere Ideen vielleicht dazu bekommen. Das war einfach.
Warum würdet ihr das anderen Familien auch empfehlen? Oder würdet ihr es überhaupt anderen Familien empfehlen?
Ja, auf jeden Fall. Man lernt neue Leute kennen. Es macht Spaß zusammen, was zu unternehmen. Ja, es war ein schöner Tag.
Also ich würde es schon weiterempfehlen, weil es halt einfach Spaß macht und es ja auch was Gutes ist. Ja.
Magst du uns noch zeigen, was du heute gebastelt hast? Ihr habt schon erzählt.
Ich habe das da können dann die Bienen hier rein krabbeln und da eben schon die Samenbombe. Dann haben wir da noch das Gefühl, da können auch Bienen rein.
Da wird nämlich ein ganz großer Buchstabe draus, nur der erste Strich. Okay?